So 26, blank number 26. The wholesale market where food grains, fruits and vegetables are brought is called mandi. Okay, now 27, spoiled food can causes many diseases. If we have to eat spoiled means बिगड़ा हुआ खाना अगर हम खाएंगे, okay, so it can be causes a dangerous disease like typhoid and malaria. चलो, now 28, blank number 28. The shopkeeper or grocer buy a crops in bulk from wholesaler. कहाँ से वो लोग खरीदते हैं? होलसेलर से. चलो, चैप्टर 7. The larger or free, LARGER, sorry, the longer, LONGER, the longer or free kitchen was started by the first Sikh Guru, that is Guru Nanak Ji. आपको पूरा स्पेलिंग लिखना है, गुरु नानक जी. The langar or a free kitchen. Langar means people sit together in any occasion. That is called langar, not a larger. Okay, LANGER. Langar means people एक साथ खाना खाने बैठते हैं. That is called langar. और किसने स्टार्ट किया था? कौन से गुरु ने स्टार्ट किया था? गुरु नानक जी. चलो, langar is also teaches the equity of eating with the community. Okay, equity. The people are poor. It's related from the high family. It's related from the rich family. It's a literate is illiterate, that not seen. All are equal. What is the meaning of equity? All are equal. गुरु लोग को ऐसा नहीं है कि वो poor people को आया तो बाहर निकाल दिया. No, it's not for you. If rich people are there, so they have to give the facility to sit on the table and chair. In VIP areas, not there. They are equity, and that teaches us a community. We all people are same. Okay, that is called community. Chalo. Now next, blanks number 31. Chapati is the staple food in the state of dash and dash. In the state of Punjab and Haryana. What is the answer? Chapati. Staple. What is the meaning of staple? मैंने आपको लेसन में समझाया है. Main food. What is the meaning of staple? Chapati is a main food. That is called staple. So chapati is the staple food in the state of Punjab and Haryana. वहाँ के लोग सबसे ज़्यादा main food उनका क्या है? रोटी. ओके, चपाती. तो कौन से स्टेट में है? आंसर आएगा आपका हरियाणा एंड पंजाब. On the Shivratri, dash is the popular beverage is prepared, that is ठंडाई. ओके, ठंडाई बनाते हैं. Eid-ul-Fitr is also called सेवैया ईद. What is the other name of Eid-ul-Fitr? That is सेवैया ईद. चलो, many schools provide dash to the students. What is the answer? Midday meal. Okay, that is called madhyana bhojan because they are coming from the rural area. Their parents are not afforded a nutrient food. So government school provide food from the school like all type of cereal, pulses, dal, rice, roti, chapati, fruits, vegetables, curd, mutton, okay, buttermilk. This all are provided by the government school to the poor area, and the students are coming from the lower area. So that way they can get the nutrient and obtain the food and come in the school for study. कि खाना मिलेगा ऐसे करके भी लोग स्कूल में आते हैं, उसी बहाने वो पढ़ाई करते हैं. तो ये गवर्नमेंट ने क्या प्रोवाइड किया है? मिड डे मील। मिड डे मीन्स 3 to 4 क्लास जब इनकी कंप्लीट हो जाती है, पीरियड्स कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं, तभी उनको 12-1 बजे खाना देते हैं। दैट इज व्हाई इट्स नेम इज दैट मिड डे मील्स। चलो नाउ नेक्स्ट नंबर 35, फूड एनहेंस। फूड एनहेंस। चलो, द फेस्टिव मूड। Food enhance the festive mood of an occasion. Okay, enhance means celebration, specialization, something is new, that is called enhance. The forefront, chapter number 8. The forefront teeth in each jaw are the incisors. Okay, what it is called? Incisor. The forefront teeth in each jaw are called incisors. So what is the answer? Incisors. Tearing teeth are called dash. So tearing teeth are called canines. What it is called? Canines. So now dash are the teeth. Dash are the teeth next to the canines. So when we have to see in the diagram in the textbook, which teeth are located next to the canines? Premolar. Which teeth are located? Which teeth are located? Premolars is next to the canines. 39. The grinding teeth are dash and dash. So the grinding teeth are broad and flat. There are a dash molar and dash premolar in our mouth. So there are 12 molars and 8 premolars in our mouth. Now, next number 41. The new teeth that grow in place of milk teeth are called dash teeth. So are called permanent teeth. What they are called? Permanent teeth. There are total of 4 taste buds in our mouth. So your blanks is there. There are total taste bud in our mouth. So what is your answer? 4 taste bud in our mouth. Make a sweets and chocolate and dash treat. Any occasional treat. Okay, because when you call the people on a treat on your birthday, okay, any celebration is there, the newborn baby is welcome to your home, and then namkaran is there, so that is called treat. So what is the answer? Occasional treat. 44. Use a good dash and dash to take care of teeth. So use a good toothpaste and toothbrush. What is the answer? First answer toothpaste, second answer toothbrush. Visit the dentist once in a dash month. Visit the dentist 6 in a month. Chalo. Now next, chapter number 9. Wild rabbit keep dash. Pay your attention. Wild rabbit keep dash and moving their long ears to pick up the F-A-I-N-T-E-S-T. Faintest. What is the pronunciation? Faintest sound from any enemy around is. Faintest means their sound are recognizable for their enemies. Okay, that is why it is called faintest. And keep T-W-I-T-C-H-I-N-G, twitching and moving. Okay, twitching and moving. Chalo. Cicadas as a home, then cicadas have their hearing organ in their stomach. Using that stomach, they can recognize the sound of their enemies. Chalo. Now 47. Carnivores have a sharp and pointed teeth to tear the flesh. What is the answer? Tear. Dash में आएगा tear. All animals have a dash covering their bodies. So answer is there. All the animals have hair covering bodies. Like this, whiskers है, porcupine. Okay, hair है, straw है. So this type of fur है. चलो, porcupines have a dash on their body. Quills. Quills means जो feathers आते हैं. That is called quills. चलो, blanks number 50. African elephant have a dash ears. ओके, मैंने आपको डायग्राम में दो एलिफेंट्स बताए थे, अफ्रीकन एंड एशियन. तो आपको देखा होगा. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप वीडियो फिर से समझना यूट्यूब के ऊपर से. तो आपको दिखेगा इट्स अ बिग ईयर्स. चलो, नाउ 51. एन आउल्स ईयर्स बिहाइंड इट्स आईज. ओके, कहां पे है? एन आउल ईयर्स बिहाइंड इट्स eyes. तो आंसर आएगा behind. Tiny animals like mites and flies take a shelter in the desk or desk for the birds and animals. यहाँ पे हमारा चैप्टर 10 स्टार्ट हुआ है 52 से. So tiny animals like mites and flies take a shelter in the desk. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers or fur. Due to feathers and fur, they can protect by the heat, rain and enemies. चलो, an anthill is made up of dash mud, made up of hard mud. Animals like your attention. Animals like hamsters and guinea pigs stay in the burrows during the day. So आपका blanks रहेगा animals like dash and dash. So hamsters and guinea pigs are stay in the burrowing. Burrowing means underground. They have to dig out the soil underground and make their homes during the day time, leaving the soil. A group of bees is called swarm. What it is called? A group of bees. जो मधुमक्खी का टोला है, crowd है, उसको हम swarm बोलते हैं. A group of elephant is called B-R-E-A-D, breed. In a dash, the female elephant is called cow. In a herd, the female elephant is called cow. टोले में जो फीमेल एनिमल्स का टोला है, ओके, उसके एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? cow. A group of lion is called pride. What it is called? Pride. स्टूडेंट्स, ये आपको अच्छी तरह से लर्न करना है. They sleep in underground tunnels, malls. The desks are responsible for repairing a damaged ant hill. Worker ant. What is the answer? Worker ant are responsible for the damaged ant hill. अगर उनका हिल टूट गया है तो वर्कर ant उसको रिपेयर करती है. A group of small fish called shoals or schools. दोनों आंसर आ सकते हैं. चलो, 62. Bees live in a desk and build on trees or buildings. Bees live in a colonies. Okay, group of bees is called colonies. Colonies में रहती है वो लोग. चलो, ग्रुप में रहते हैं तो कॉलोनी. When trees are cut down, many animals become homeless. उनका जो ट्रीज के ऊपर अर्बोरियल एनिमल्स है, उनका जो होम्स है वो कट जाता है तो वो कहां पे रहती है? चलो, होमलेस हो जाते हैं. नाउ 64. This aquatic animals spend their entire life in the cold sea water. Answer is walrus. Okay, so dear students, here we can completed our revision of question number 1, filling the blanks. Pure attention from the filling the blanks. Sometimes twisted question is asked in a form of MCQ. ओके, MCQ में थोड़े आपको सेपरेट भी कराऊंगी, बट यही ब्लैंक्स को MCQ फॉर्म में ट्विस्ट और कन्वर्ट करके क्वेश्चन एग्जाम में आ सकता है. सो लर्न क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 प्रॉपरली.